Welcome aboard Point Clear, a 2023 Bali 4.4, and we're located in beautiful Placencia, Belize. This 4-cabin, 4-head version is loaded with upgrades and thoughtful details. Let me walk you through this impeccable vessel offered for sale by Current Yachts. One of Bali's signature features is the famous garage door, a rear bay lift system that opens the Salon seamlessly to the aft cockpit at the push of a button, creating a true indoor-outdoor living space. The exterior cushions are being replaced, and Point Clear will convey with brand new LeatherEx outdoor cushions. The fixed dining table offers great seating for up to 8, and there's a plancha grill with gas installation for outdoor cooking. At the stern, you'll notice the wide transom with comfortable swim ladders and large handles, making water access easy. There's also a hot and cold cockpit shower, perfect after a swim. The dinghy is launched with a stainless steel davit system fitted with manual winch. Stepping inside the Salon, you'll appreciate the open and uncluttered design. The tilting forward windows and the door to the forward cockpit allow for natural ventilation, while the reverse cycle air conditioning keeps the space cool when needed. The Galley is fully equipped with double-door refrigerator freezer, a 4-burner glass cooktop with pot holders, and a gas oven. There's also a freshwater purifying filter. With an extra 400 liters of water tank capacity, you'll have a total of 860 liters on board. Opposite the Galley, to starboard, is the nav station with folding seat and chart table, and of course your secondary electronics. Two clever features of the Salon are a bar-integrated dining table and bottle storage. Upholstery is finished in the classic eglantine color scheme, with padded seating and armrests for extra comfort. At the helm, Point Clear is equipped with a full Raymarine electronics package, including a 12-inch Axiom touchscreen, autopilot, GPS plotter, AIS transceiver, VHF with remote mic. The helm station is shaded by a taupe-colored bimini with comfortable seating and new cushions. Under sail, you'll appreciate the reinforced Dacron fully bent mainsail, Solent with UV protection, lazy bag and lazy jacks, plus an electric winch for the mainsail. Single handling is made truly easy thanks to the self-tacking jib. Up on the Flybridge, you'll find additional seating with new cushions, a telescopic table, and panoramic views, the perfect spot for entertaining or relaxing under sail. And this is my favorite area to socialize on the Bali 4.4. There you'll find a fixed table, seating, and storage. This yacht truly maximizes every inch of space for comfort and versatility. The port side forepeak includes a shower and head, while the starboard side offers a berth with mattress and blackout curtains. Point Clear's interior layout is symmetrical with 4 spacious cabins, each with its own ensuite head. They're beautifully finished with padded headboards, indirect lighting, chrome reading lamps, 12-volt fans, and magazine pockets. Each head on this yacht is equipped with large freshwater electric toilets. This yacht is powered with twin Yanmar engines. For extended cruising, Point Clear is equipped with solar panels delivering 400 watts, a watermaker producing 240 liters per hour, and a primary 120-volt electrical system with inverter and charger. She also carries an impressive 800 liters of fuel capacity, providing excellent range. Whether you're island hopping in Belize or planning a longer passage, Point Clear is ready to take you there in style. To schedule a showing, call me Amanda Haley with Current Yachts. Fair winds!